Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Education to solve technical problems. This is a simple ATS panel and let's see how it works. The phase from the red phase here, red phase, a wire will be taken and given to this breaker here, and the output of this breaker will be given to this timer here at number 7. Here is number 7, and then we have to jump it to here at number 8, and from number 8, when the time will up, it will shift to number 6 here. This is number 6, number 8, number 6, and when the time is up, the number 6 will turn on this relay. The signal from number 6 will turn on this relay, and when this relay operates, here you can see a jumper from here to this point. This relay will send the signal to the upper end here at this point, and when this relay turns on, this will give the signal to this contactor here, auxiliary of this contactor right here on the lower side, and from upper side we will take it to the A1 point of the coil of the contactor. The yellow thimble wire is neutral. These are three-phase red, yellow, blue, and this is the one side. The other side will be the same, but you have to cross the phase of the other side, which you want to keep it on number 2nd option. You will pass it through this relay, so that when this relay turns off, then this side, your generator side, will get the signal of starting on this timer, and then again on this relay, and from relay to this contactor auxiliary, and from this auxiliary to the contactors A1. On the back side you can see A1 there with the blue thimble. Thanks for watching. If you have any question about this panel, you can ask me in comments.